Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize your image. So let's say you are uploading an image on a platform or a particular site which is requiring you to upload a specific dimension of an image. So here we have the imageresizer.com, which we'll be using for the resizing of the image, and the link will be shared in the description section. So with this site, you don't need to create an account, you don't need to log in, it's free, you can use it unlimited. Okay, so here I have an image. Let's check the let's check the details of the image. Okay, so the dimension is 1280 by 720. So let's say we want the size to be maybe 400 by 150. Okay, so now when you click on the link, it will take you to this page and you click on select. So when you click on select, now you need to select the image which you want to resize. So this is the image, and now you click on the open. It will not take much time. Now here, when it opens, we have two things here. So let's say the image on the website, it was in percentage. So here you can use the as percentage to resize the image, but if it's by dimension, you use it. And with the dimension, we have the pixels, and we have the inches, we have the centimeter, and we have the millimeter. Okay, so here let's focus on the pixels. And automatic, when you upload the image, it will give you the width and also the height or the length. So it was 1280 by 720, and now I want 400. So let's see something here. When you change it to 400, you see here will change. Here we want 150, so let's change it to 150. Here also change. So we've locked the aspect ratio, so let's unlock it, and now let's put in the 400, and now here let's put in the 150. I think it's already there. Okay, and now here's also the color. If the background color you want to change it, or you can do your editing here. Okay, if you want to crop the image, if you want to flip, if you want to rotate, you can get everything here. If you want to compress the image, you can also do it here. So the image resizer is very good site. It's very easy to use. Okay, so now we are done with the width and also the height. You just click on the resize. It will not take much time. So this will be the output. So the main size was 597 kilobytes, and after we've resized it, now it's 12 KB. Now let's download the image. The image is ready. Okay, now let's click on download and let's open it. So this is the image. So you see the image, we've resized it. Now let's see the dimension here. So the dimension, so here is 400 by 150. Okay, so let's study something here. So you see there is a black background beside it. Yeah, it's because of the length. So because we've shortened it, so it needs to come in the middle. Yeah, so that we will get the whole picture. If not, maybe some parts will clear. So with the aspect ratio, if you remember here, so let's go back again. If you remember here, we unlock the ratio. So let's log the ratio and let's do it for 100 and let's see. Okay, so now you see, so there's a difference. Now when you unlock the ratio, or when you unlock the aspect ratio, it will give you this image, because now the length or the height is not corresponding to the width. But when you lock the ratio, it will correspond. So based on the dimension, it will take that shape you want. Okay, so that is all for today. I hope this video is helpful. See you in the next video. Peace.